So on this short quick video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat music or audio in less than 50 seconds. Yes guys, in less than 50 seconds I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, on this page you will find all the apps. Scroll until you find Snapchat, click on it, click on force stop, and then go back to the settings, click on wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 7 seconds, exactly 7 seconds, and disable it, and then open the Play Store, search for Snapchat and click on this update option that you see right here. And you can do the same thing in the iPhone. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video.